Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So one of the tasks that can be tedious is analyzing search queries reports. And typically, if you want to sort or view search queries for specific keywords. The way you would classically do that is you go to your search terms reports here, and you would add a filter, you would select attributes, you would select keyword text, and then you could put in your whole keyword or a portion of your keyword to filter for that view. And that's fine, but it can take a little bit while, especially if you have a bunch of keywords you need to sort through. So there's actually a much easier way to do it that most people don't realize, and that's if you go back into your search keywords report and you select one or more of your keywords, like so, and then you select search terms, it'll automatically create the filter just for those keywords. And so you can very quickly go through individual keywords or a group of related keywords to find related search terms for those, and it just makes really short work of otherwise something that will take you a long time. Super quick tip, but hopefully you will find that useful in your travels. And that's it for today. I'll see you next time.